Hey men, listen up. If you're experiencing symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, brain fog or poor focus, lack of motivation, or maybe even poor performance in the bedroom, you could be suffering from a hormonal imbalance referred to as andropause. I'm Dr. Jason Burchard with Inspire Medical, and over the last decade, we've had the pleasure of successfully treating thousands of men with hormonal imbalances. And guys, I have the secret for you. There's more to optimizing your male hormones than just addressing testosterone. Of course, testosterone is important, but there are other vital hormones that are necessary to be addressed and to keep optimal for testosterone to be able to do its job. Here at Inspire, we do the necessary diagnostic testing to look at all of these hormones to make sure they're in their optimal range. If they're not, we only use a bioidentical or human identical hormone to address that deficiency. Men, if you'd like to learn more about the different treatment options, look us up at inspiremedicalwellness.com or call the number on your screen to get a complimentary consultation. We look forward to seeing you soon.